All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and is going to a fleet shop a good option for technicians? Now, a lot of technicians are getting fed up with flat rate, getting fed up with retail shops putting profit above everything else. Now, I live stream every week on Thursdays, and a lot of people, when I was looking for a job, recommended I go fleet. So we're going to talk about it. A lot of the advantages of going to a fleet shop is it's hourly. It's hourly with overtime, usually with very good benefits. You're usually working for, city, government, etc. It can be very mundane work, but you're getting decent money. You get really good benefits in most cases, and you don't have the drama or rigmarole of, retail. Truck broke down. Okay, well, I'll get it fixed. 9 times out of 10, you can work at your pace. You're not rushed, etc. Friend of mine went to work for the Postal Service. Zap, rest his soul, complained about, the lack of urgency on anything. And that was something that was very difficult for him to accept, because he always wanted to be as fast and efficient as possible. So if you're looking for a more laid back style of repair shop, a fleet can be a great option, where you're not rushing to the next car, i.e. flat rate, where you're not having service writers yelling down your throat, I need that car back today. And of course it sits outside for 2 days. You can stay in the automotive industry or the truck industry, but you remove all of the drama of the retail space, favoritism, stuff like that. There still could be some favoritism with hours and when you work. If you're working at a shop that has, multiple shifts, you may wind up working a bad shift because of favoritism, but your check really doesn't depend on that favoritism. So, i.e. flat rate, it's more about what shift you work and that kind of stuff, because they really don't care for the most part what jobs they give people. With fleets like that, they don't really care how efficient you are. They care more about the job got done. And, as long as you're not taking a week to do an oil change, yeah, you're pretty fine. Very, very low stress. It's just a very low stress environment. You go in, you got your workload, you work through whatever you can get, whatever you feel like, because again, it's fleet, so they're not a super hurry to get stuff done. Every now and then there may be storms coming and you got to get all the plow trucks ready to go, stuff like that. So very, very different atmosphere. Very laid back usually. Very good option if you're getting burned out on the retail automotive industry. This can be a good way to set yourself up for things like retirement. A lot of times municipalities, government will have retirement plans, pensions, a lot of benefits that you will never see in the automotive repair industry. Benefits are offered more than just at the best, really bad PPOs or HMOs, etc. They usually have really good health insurance. So something to think about if you're getting burned out on the retail industries. Hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.